so I've been coming here forever. Typically, this is really a challenging event, and it still will be. The amount of time, just the challenge of making the team work harmoniously together, it's a big undertaking. Probably one of the most grueling events I do each year.
This journey has been really interesting for me. It's like a personal journey. You can choose to like fall into a routine and cruise, or you can choose something to challenge yourself and like keep learning. As my main job as an actor, I have an opportunity to like go different roles, learning different things, and I just like doing that. I like learning things and just trying to like improve and get better at something.
I'm a huge Honda fan, so being able to purchase a factory car from HPD was really cool to me. So everybody from Honda, it seems like it's a pretty big family, and everybody wants to see the Honda brand do well. HPD is there for me all the time. Anything I need, they're right there. They'll research, they'll figure out what I need. Research over here brought us a spare gearbox in case we need it. It's a really cool grassroots family. That kit adds 20 mil of pad on each side. And if we get the same compound that's ultra hard, I think we can almost go the whole race without a pad change. That's huge, because that's a back paddock pit stop that we have to take. It certainly takes a lot of time to do, and that's all time that we can spend on the track. So I think it'll benefit us and hopefully get us closer to that top spot we want.
Some of the issues that came up yesterday, we had a couple motor mount failures, and when they failed, it took out the oil line as well. So we had some repairs to do before the sun went down. All this fog came and red flagged the race. So it's actually a little bit of a civilized 25-hour because we got to sleep at a normal time. But we got back up and we're still running. We're P2 in class, so hopefully we can stay out there and finish this off. Yeah, team did a fantastic job. You know, everybody was all hands on deck. We have some pretty talented guys here. We found a shop that I was able to weld the mounts back up together with. You know, really thankful for everybody coming together and getting us back out as fast as we could.
First of all, I'm totally addicted now. And so I want to come back and keep racing. You know, I think everybody gets that way. It either scares the out of you and you don't want to come back, or you get the bug and you're hooked. It's like heroin and you can't get enough of it. And so, yeah, I'd love to continue doing this.
One of the big things I learned at this event, it's really hard to get the whole entire crew to work together the whole entire time. Luckily, I think we got the best of both worlds here on our team, and I feel really fortunate to have that.